Good afternoon, friends. Last lecture we have to start the sonomechanical chemical method. Okay, in this lecture we have to discuss. Therefore, this some point we have to discuss in the monomechanical mechanical chemistry. Okay, in this elemental combinations has been used to prepare the boron containing alloys in the nickel NBB and the TiElB system. Okay, therefore your elemental system, it is a combination has been used to prepare your elemental system. It is a combination, means in your elements are combination, and therefore it is used to prepare the boron containing alloys, and that alloys into the nickel, niobium, boron, and the titanium, aluminum, and the boron system. Okay, then secondly, the risks of atmospheric oxidation of the metal and the reactions are often carried out under an inert gas, and it is typically argon. Okay, therefore you have to risk of the atmospheric oxidation, means you have to risk the atmospheric oxidation of the metal, means in your oxidation of the metals atmospheric, it is a risk, and therefore its reaction is often carried out under an inert gas, means its reaction is in carried out in under inert gases, and therefore it is a typically argon. Okay, therefore the milling times are generally shorter for the oxide. Milling times means it is a combination, therefore it is a milling. Okay, that milling times are generally shorter for the oxide, means for the oxide, therefore its milling times are shorter, and therefore it is typically between 2 and 24 hours, means therefore you have to oxides milling time is about 2 and 24 hours. Therefore the multiple products are generally formed in displacement reaction carried out the mechanochemically. Okay, that the multiple products, means in this multiple product it is formation into the milling of the oxide, and therefore it is formation of the multiple product, and that product generally form in displacement. Okay, that product generally form in displacement, and that displacement reaction it is carried out mechanochemically. Okay, means that displacement reaction it is carried out mechanically. Therefore the metal halide of the form AMF3 have been produced in an inert gas atmosphere by the mechanochemical combination of AF and AMF2. Okay, therefore the metal halide of the form of AMF3 have been produced in an inert gas atmosphere. Okay, therefore your metal halides it is a form into the AMF3. Metal halides a form कशामध्ये AMF3 मध्ये, and it is produced in an inert gas atmosphere by this mechanochemical combination of AF and the AMF2, and it is formation of AMF3. Okay, therefore you have to mechanochemically combination between the AF and AMF2, and therefore the mechanochemical synthesis sulfide has a focus principally on the semiconductor and the nanoparticles by the direct combination of the metals and the sulfur. This has been achieved in the case of cadmium sulfate, CDX, Zn1 minus X, and APS. Okay, this is the mechanochemical synthesis you have to form. Okay, means you have to synthesis the sulfide, means that synthesis of the sulfide it is by the mechanochemical, and it is a principally on this semiconductor nanoparticle. Okay, that synthesis it is a principally on the semiconductor nanoparticle, and it is a direct combination of the metal and sulfur, means it is a direct combination of metal and sulfur, and this has been achieved in the case of cadmium sulfate. Okay, therefore this is the sonochemical mechanochemical method. Then the nextly is the mechanochemicals, it is into the nano and the meso scale. Okay, the mechano scale. Okay, that the mechanochemical it is into the nano and meso scale, and that architecture high performance thermo electric material it is based on PBTE have been synthesized by the mechanical alloying, and it following the spark plasma sintering. Okay, therefore you have to know very known that about the nano mesoscale. Okay, that mesoscale it is a architecture high performance thermoelectric material, means your nano mesoscale it is a architecture high performance thermoelectrical material. Okay, high performance of thermoelectrical material, and that is based on PBTE have been synthesized by mechanical alloying, and that followed by the spark followed by sparks. Okay, and that the high thermoelectric figure of the merit is the synthesis from bismuth, ESB, titanium by the ball milling followed by hot presses. Okay, you are also known for the yesterday lecture we have to discuss about the ball milling process, and that ball milling it is followed by this hot processing. Okay, look at this figure. That figure it is a expected MOF, that is molecular orbital F, and that the MOF isomers. Okay, and look at this. This is the schematic representation of the mechanochemical synthesis of COPC through this chip base, and that chip base it is performed by grinding mortar. Okay, this chip base. Okay, look at this chip base oligoform, that the 0 minutes, and this is the component, and that component you have to formation by this grinding using the mortar, and this is the paster. Okay, therefore this is the mechanochemical method. It is over. Next time we have to discuss this sonochemical method. Thank you.